Hey everybody, this is Philip with TDR Auto. So I've had issues with my AC for like really long time. I want to say like almost 2 years. It's a 2015 Subaru Forester, 2.5 engine, no turbo, and the AC would basically go on, no issues. It's cold, but after a while, after like, I don't know, 15-20 minutes of driving with the AC on, and the hotter it is, the worse it gets, the AC would stop working. It would start blowing warm air. So I would turn off the AC, wait, I don't know, 5 minutes or whatever, turn the AC back on, and it would start working again. And this would be going on and on. And I already replaced the evaporator that's behind the glove box, because I heard those can leak. I recharged the system multiple times and I just could not figure it out. But I finally went online and I found a lot of people having issues with the AC compressor clutch. Something to do with the gap being too big as it wears out over time. So I'm gonna test it today, see what my gap is on the AC compressor clutch. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, the AC compressor turned on pretty loud. Alright, so the spec should be between 0.3 and 0.6 millimeter. So let's use the thickest one, 0.6. And yeah, it's pretty loose. It should have a drag, and it has no drag whatsoever. Alright, let me try 0.7. Alright, now I got 0.7 millimeter, so this is auto spec. This should not fit in there. Alright, go in here. And as you can see, this one fits just perfect. So I want to say I got 0.7. Okay. So I'm gonna take this clutch off. It's just the 10 millimeter bolt, and I gotta somehow hold this clutch. I think I might have a tool for that. So this is what I was thinking. This pin spanner wrench, which I've been using on like camshaft gears and even like power steering gears and stuff like that. So hopefully I can make it work. So this one is adjustable. This arm moves, and I can put some of these. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use this little thicker one, this little pin, and see if I can hold the clutch with that. So there are 1, 2, 3 holes, and I found that this fits nicely in there. So yeah, I should be able to hold it with this wrench just fine. So I'm gonna screw those in there. And that should work just fine. Yep, nice. Just gotta hold it and lose that. Yeah, nice. It works. I want to be careful because I don't know what's in there. I just don't want anything to fall off. Alright, so there's nothing else in here. I don't see any damage. I don't see any washer in there. Okay. And hopefully I got some shims in there, so I can remove some shims and adjust the depth. So let's see if this magnet will work. If this magnet will take those shims. Okay, that doesn't want to pick it up, so I might need to use a little pick. Oh yeah, looks like the shims are moving. Okay, so let's do it this way. I'm gonna leave the magnet in there, and let's do a little operation here. Here we go. Okay, I got one shim out, and I mean I only need 0.1, so I wonder, maybe I'll leave these shims in there. Well, let's see. I want to see how many are there and what kind of thickness. All right, so here I got one thick one, and I believe that's it. There's no more shims in there. Yep. Okay, so let's try. Okay, I'm gonna try put this thick one back in there. This clutch is really easy to take off, so we'll see what it ends up to be. There we go, slide in. Use my socket to hold the bolt in. All right, I just tied it a little bit and see if I can stick what is it, 0.6 was the max, so let's see if the 0.6 is still going in. No, it's not going in. All right, so now let's try 0.3. That's the minimum spec, and the 0.3 goes in. Beautiful, so I'm right between 0.3 and 0.6. All right, so I can torque it down. I'm gonna hold the pulley, I mean the clutch, and torque that bolt. This is not the right wrench, of course, because I don't work on Subarus very often, but there we go, nice. So now I'm gonna drive it and test it, make sure it's fine. And also now that when I'm gonna start it, before it was making kind of loud noise, and also when the AC would shut off and then it would kick on again, you could feel quite a big change in the RPM of the engine. It's like you know, the AC would take a lot of power away from the engine when it restarted. So I'm wondering if that's gonna help it as well. All right, let's see if I can hear any difference when I turn the AC on. So far it's more quiet and no change in RPM. Well, fingers crossed. So today is actually a good AC test day because it's what is it, like 90 Fahrenheit? So normally when it's close to 90, it would stop working within like 5 minutes. That reminds me, I gotta go pick up some ice cream for the kids. So far it works nice. Traffic is bad today. So I've been driving for over 10 minutes and so far it keeps blowing cold air. I can't believe it. Something so easy, something so simple and quick fixes the AC. Jesus. And I remember a couple years ago when it first started, I was searching online. I could not find the answer. It was all about the evaporators leaking in the corner, and I did smell like a refrigerant smell from the vents for some reason. And I replaced it, I recharged it, and it will be same thing. It will be cold, and after a while it will get warm. Very interesting. And I haven't seen issues on Chrysler or, you know, Jeep, Ram vehicles. I haven't seen it. And I'm working on those cars every single day for past 6-7 years, and they don't really have issues with AC compressors or clutches and stuff like that. It's usually like leaks, you know, and condensers, evaporators, or if you got the unit in the back, so you got cold air from the front and you got cold air from the back. Those lines get corroded going to the back under the vehicle. That's very common too, like on Grand Caravans and Pacificas and vehicles like that. I haven't replaced like one single AC compressor. And I wonder on those older Honda Civics if it's the same type of AC clutch. I don't remember exactly, but it would be cool if you guys had experienced something like this, where you can adjust the clutch on different vehicles. If you could mention it below, I would appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching and see you guys later. Yep, my AC is officially fixed. It's been like 30 minutes and it's still going strong.